Hey everybody, it's Rich and I'm up at the farm today. Wanted to do some ski flying, but the plane's not ready yet. So today we're going to create some custom maps, import those into Foreflight, and then download some maps from the USGS and show you how to do the same thing with those. So stick around. When the snow crunches like this, you know it's getting cold. It was -2 Fahrenheit today. Okay, today we're going to fly the winter survey here up at the farm, and we've got some good light for it, so hopefully it's going to turn out pretty well. Software we're using is called Precision Flight. There are others that do similar things. Basically, you draw a box around the area that you want to survey, and it uploads the flight instructions to the drone. The drone then flies that survey and takes a photo every 2 seconds. These photos will be used as input to the next steps. Once the survey is complete, create a folder to hold the photos and be a holding area for the processing. In this case, we have 87 photos in our somewhat small survey. We'll copy those into the same workspace. As you can see, each photo on its own provides a glimpse, but we want to combine them into one massive geotagged photo of the entire approach. We will do this using OpenDroneMap. This software is distributed as a Docker container, and this script invokes the container, passes in the parameters needed, and starts the process of assembling the 87 individual photos into one giant one. This process can take tens of minutes to hours, depending on the number of photos in the survey. Now that we have a geotagged TIFF, we'll use MapTiler to make an MB tiles file that can be loaded into Foreflight. This process will also take a bit of time, though nowhere near as long as the one that stitched all the photos together. Should take a few minutes to a few tens of minutes. Once the MB tile file is created, we can load it into Foreflight. Just drag it to AirDrop and let Foreflight do the rest. In this case, you can see the snowy aerial survey we just did overlaid on top of the aerial map that Foreflight displays from the internet. But with our survey, no internet connection is required because it's been imported into Foreflight. Next, we'll take some data from the US Geological Survey. There are an amazing number of maps available here, modern and historical. Today we'll grab a 100-year-old map and import it into Foreflight. Once we've identified the map we want, we download the GeoTIFF file to our local machine. And, again, we take the GeoTIFF file and use MBTiler to convert it to an MB tile file. We airdrop the file to the iPad, and then on the iPad we can view this data as yet another information source. This can be useful either while flying or on the ground as a source of data for hiking or UTVing. That's it. Hope this was helpful. Remember to subscribe and click the bell to get notifications, and I'll see you next time.